My dear brothers and sisters, in today's gospel passage, we heard two things. Miracle of catching of the fish, followed by the call of the apostles. We hear about the call also in a different context in other evangelist writings. But today's look make it specific that there's a foundation for the call. As we know, there was a foundation for the call of St. Teresa. The foundation was what she had read and heard and seen with her own eyes. Here the foundation, the background is different. We heard there was a miracle at first, and there was the call. This passage, what does it tell us? What message can we take home for our day-to-day life? The message I see is, let ourselves go into the hands of the Lord, and the Lord will do the rest. We heard that Simon Peter and so to James and John, others were excellent fishermen. They knew exactly where to go, at what time to go, and where so-called the haul of fish could be. And yet, they got nothing after toiling a whole night. And there they found this man, Jesus comes and says, go, cast your net in the deep again, a little further, he says. And what does Simon Peter and others do? They go, let themselves go, respond to Jesus' word, and put their whole trust and faith in this man, maybe who had never known about the fish, never done so-called fishing activity, and yet they let themselves go into his hands, and then miracles happen. Simon Peter sees a vast haul of fish and is surprised. I, who have been a fisherman, who toiled whole night, we knew where the fish moves, so to say. And yet, I toiled and got nothing. And when he said yes to the Lord's cast in the deep, something great happened. First, the miracle, and then his own call to be a great fisherman. He will catch not fish, but people who will help in the mission of Jesus to be the face of God to others. There are times in our life when we encounter similar things. We don't know where to go. When somebody in our business collapses, we say we've done this and we've done that and we put money in this and mutual funds. What happened? Everything collapsing. Or we find someone in the house who is sick. We have tried all doctors and all the places, and then nothing seems to work. At this time, the Lord says, leave yourself into my hands and surrender totally without any conditions. Just let go. Miracles happen. So Teresa let herself go when she got a call within the call, not knowing what happened to her life. Working on the streets, and so on, caring for the so-called uncared. And God blessed her with a congregation, with people who loved, people who, in a way, practiced in their own daily life what is real love. Let's place ourselves in God's hands when we find ourselves in situations. Let God come in. Let's make a place for Him in our life. And how can we do that? By spending time with Him, reading about Him, reflecting over His life, and how do these words of today's gospel passage, what is the lesson for me in today's life, in today's work, in my family, in my business, anyway, we call it. And the Lord says, leave everything into my hands and I will take care of it.